Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Patty and today I'm in my kitchen, but we're not cooking. We're going to open this box and it's from Air Plant Supply and it's brand new. I haven't ordered from them before. Okay, let's see what's in there. Comes wrapped with tissue paper. Isn't that pretty? Oh, there's a couple of them. Ooh, so I get 15% off my next order. That's really nice. I bought I bought the Elegant collection because and they were on sale. Let's see. So let's see what's in there. That's just stuffing. Okay, so they're all in here. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this pile of air plants. Okay. I don't know what they're called. I have to look them all up. Look at that one. These are big, and I know what I want to do with them. A couple of ideas. I don't have that one. I have one of these. I like this one, the red. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I think I have a small version of that. Oh, these are beautiful. I have a couple of those. It's a nice one. I do like this one. It's got a loose leaf. That's no big deal. Oh, I see. So they gave me like 2 of each of these. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. This one's like, this one's fuzzier. See, that one's smooth. This one's fuzzy. So 2 of those. Oh, and then 2 of these. I don't have this one. Isn't that cool? So I must have got the 10 pack. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. Okay. So I got the 10 pack and it was on sale. I wouldn't say it was like really inexpensive, but it was like $25. And I got 10 plants. This one's a little beat up. See how they're busted up, but it's not in terrible shape. It needs a little love. But this one looks good. And these look really nice. Aren't these cool? They look like great big grasses. And then these little ones. And then 2 of these big fuzzies. I like these. And 2 of these. Okay, so that's the Air Plant Supply haul. I'm going to put them in to water. And if you want to see how I do that, I have another video and I will link to it up here. Or I think it's probably over here. I'll link to that wherever it is. And yeah, you can see you can see how I water, and then you'll have to keep watching, and then I'll show you how I arrange these because I know what I want to do. Okay, now it's a little bit later. I'm in my kitchen. Look what came today, because I just don't get enough at my job. I have some new air plants. I got 10 of them and they were on sale. This is a little bit later on in the evening and I have watered my air plants and now they are drying out on the tea towel in the kitchen, and I'm just checking them out a little bit, and they do seem like they've been a little manhandled, so I don't know that I'm super 100% sold on getting air plants from Air Plant Supply Company, because what I got at my nursery was so much nicer. I will spend extra to get better quality plants, but we're going to see. I'm still going to put them in the arrangement that I have in mind. They'll make a few arrangements actually, and I will show you what I'm going to do, so make sure that you stay tuned. I think they're going to come back after I've had a little time to just give them some tender loving care and get them into the light, and they should be okay. Okay, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.